And for the last 2 years, last 2-3 weeks, Kennedy Kankam is in the news for all reasons. What you organize that too. What happened?
When it gets to that point, I don't want to talk about it because it is being dealt with. What do I say? I say, police, young wajuma. I likely to be to courts.
Oh, that's what police.
Yes, of course, the police is handling it, and a bit likely to be to courts.
So one day. You for Council of Elders grab a power.
I don't want to.
And obviously,
I don't want to talk about it here. Until they make idea, say let the system deals with it, because I'm here as the chairman of the Municipal Security Council.
Yeah.
And I will not allow anybody to compromise the security of Asokore Mampong, in as much as I remain the municipal chief executive.
Okay.
Me will be compromising the security of Asokore Mampong. So I will make sure the laws of the land and of the municipal works to the latter. So I don't want to come and sit here and discuss security issues at Asokore Mampong, because I am the chairman of the Security Council.
And they not acting about down security. They acting about down security.
Is the chairman of the Security Council who is involved in that confusion or in that melee.
Okay.
And I don't want to come and talk about it here. This police system is dealing with it. What do I say? And they are going to deal with it to the best of their capability or to the best of their strength.
Wow.
So let us allow the system to work. Than for me to come and sit here, I say, they be in radio discussions and all. This is not a radio discussions. I don't think it will be in the good interest of anybody. It won't be in good interest of me. It won't be in the good interest of the municipal. Municipal no jina nenazo. Na municipal don't juma, na mranya juma municipal. That is all. You don't need to come and talk about it. Says a normal radio discussion.
But case that's all police station.
It has nothing has changed. The police is dealing with it. That is
likely to go to
that
court.
Is why I said the police is dealing with it. And the moment yema police in the juma. Why? I don't want to talk about it too much here.
A detention about area wana.
Tension free
within my party and
I'm me buy my catch. And run me wa Asamase market.
Okay.
Mako kasa ho my engagement and then yakwa abo which never call Asokore Mampong. Any zonal council the engagement. So there's nothing like a tension there.
Wow.
Why should this bring tension in the area? For what? Tension for what? We assemble.
Oh.
Party
organizer attacking the MC.
Let the Lord works. Say individuals involved. So let it work. So being quite attack a party. As long as I say.
Sure.
And your party in a under attack. What do I say? So let the law works. Let us free party no. Because that is why I'm gonna be tan. And the whole country no more yama basano. So we could didn't sebi on Kwasi Kankam. No dwane akɔhye party achi. Odi ni Kwasi Kankam no dwane akɔhye tribe achi. Odi ni Kwasi Kankam no dwane akɔhye religion achi. What I say? Me ye MPP ninti, me ye NDC ninti na woye me say. Na nso akodi Kwasi Kankam.
Yeah.
Akɔbɔkro no. Me ye Islam, me ye Muslim ti, me ye Christo ninti na ye me say. Me ye Dagomba ni, me ye Asante ni, me ye Frafre ni, me ye Wenti na ye me say. Na omu din Kwasi Kankam o man nimza. While the country laws are there. So let the law works. Simple. Don't let us mix it with the party. A party non MPP and sorry obedin Kwasi Kankam. Is that MPP? MPP one of the babedin Kwasi Kankam.
Yeah.
So why do you want to mix it with the party? Don't mix it with party. Don't mix with tribe. Don't mix with the religion.
Yeah.
Let those who deal the young Kwasi Kankam mama omunun faso na young form famara kwano so. Nobody should bring party matter in these issues. And I don't want it to be like that. Yes, I know. Kofi, obi be sorry no akodi nse hunu bia. Yes, a party. What is the meaning of that? So the president should be in his office in Jubilee House. Then the national secretary will go and mess up to the president or the Jubilee House and say, "Oh, general secretary no a national organizing. Yen guys are no ko yen nyoma hunu Jubilee House." The Ashanti regional organizer or secretary should get up and go to the regional coordinating council, go and misbehave towards the regional minister. You see, what your regional organizer now, regional secretary, regional minister or regional coordinating council. Is that what you are telling me? So don't let us put this thing there. There's a difference between the municipal administration and the difference between the party administration in the municipal in the constituency. So mama mfanya party asem kora mama mfa party mentality no. Yema emra no nya adwuma. Na nipa bi ha no you have your own way. But let me put it on record. People say it was a constituency executive committee meeting. No way. There was nothing like constituency executive committee meeting.
Oh, really?
Yes, of course.
So all the
constituency executive committee meeting.
Polling stations.
May say it wasn't a constituency executive meeting, so don't turn it. Say be a committee and say, be a committee and say they see. And I was not having any meeting with them.
JB,
me say there wasn't like any meeting. Me say, Minuya, me say, Mampong Juma. Ya to assembly gate him. Assembly about 5 for ya pong. That is the law. Ya pong ya to assembly gate him. Ya to 2 offices munyina. Me after say ya pong 5 no ya. Fina na me be hwe nkratem.
Yeah.
On say this na. Ha, sanet metie. Enti Mampong Juma no it is ya to assembly gate him. It is out public. Ubi ntumi ngura. Una say. But they be our person in the so
after this time, as one-on-one, of course, and a private discussion.
They be no being common as a inside down so babies before. What do you mean? What do you mean? My friend officer. My friend will be officer. So me no be doing come when you invite because me your friend or my officer. When a friend say omrao. A security zone. You don't know the municipal security council. When you say your security zone,
of course.
It's a security zone.
No, but my understanding is that it's all constituency executive together with polling station. There were about 34.
Me say there was no polling station officer be anyone or.
Hey.
Me say,
yeah, this was
me
say, public.
That is what I'm telling you. Say, me say, Kofi, me say, Kofi, me say, and nothing I make say. So let the police work. Let the investigation goes out. Let the yeah. Near who say whether there was a police station officer bang. I know. Constituency officer bang, I'm a friend is omraho. Mato assembly gate yatum. How did they even enter the place? It's not because mama ma asamono nyante say yeah no politics yeah no those things. Me man ko say me koye MPP. Say I say koye MPP chairman Asokore Mampong. Say me koye municipal chief executive aban krachi panyin. E was Asokore Mampong. Minister dem ka tiase ya. Me koye aban krachi panyin Asokore Mampong. Enti madwuma no Local Government Act 936. And them ram di adwuma Asokore Mampong. Together with other laws I dey am say me fa nya adwuma. Say sikasema the Public Financial Management Act na di adwuma. One the mention no.
Yeah.
And the drew baby na party bet ye baby na maybe I'm a piece of MPP asama bani in MPP. Then we go and do party. So party business is different from municipal business.